Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my show. My name is Jana Babuglio, and I always start off with a fun fact. Take
Well,
it away.
following off of our fun fact that we had the other day, I said I would look into it a little bit further to see exactly how this waterfall works. Well, it is actually a waterfall underwater. There is no caverns, no caves. It's underwater. And what causes the waterfall is the temperature from two different directions coming into one that pulls the water downward on a slope that is underground under the sea. So, which makes it an underwater waterfall.
Cool. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, there's a lot of things out in the ocean that we have not explored yet. That's a whole new world. Hey, Mr. Kitty, you want to say hello to the viewers? No, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Um, it's been a real nice weather so far. It's been quite peaceful. Um, is there any other type of fun facts you got want to talk to about? You know,
Strawberries are actually not berries. Bananas are berries.
huh? Yeah. It's like they saying the lemon is a fruit, and yeah,
Tomatoes are fruit.
fruit. Yeah.
Lemons have always been a fruit. The tomato, however, is a fruit and a
A
vegetable.
vegetable. In other words, roundabout way, y'all make sure you eat your vegetables and your fruit. Um, I don't know if there's any entertainment out there that's coming soon, or I would have talked about that, or any games or anything. Um, Pretty much, uh, been trying to think about a lot of cool stuff to do for the show. So please subscribe, like, and share. Maybe hopefully next time it'll be a little bit more. But y'all take care and enjoy and be safe out there. Until then, boogie out the door.